In this video, I'm going to show you how to start the writing process for Research Essay 1. So the first stage in the writing process is the invent stage, where you choose the topic that you're going to write on and decide what it is you have to say about this topic. And at this stage, it's also a good idea to develop a working thesis statement or a plan of development to help you guide you in the research stage and help you have a starting place. So for the prompt in this essay, you are being asked to look into soft skills. So these are the professional skills that are required in almost all jobs and workplaces. And you're being asked to craft a thesis statement revolving around one of the soft skills offered and argue that this soft skill should be intentionally developed or taught in the education system, starting in either junior high, high school, college, or that this skill should be taught throughout the entire education experience. So the skills that you can choose from are teamwork, adaptability, problem solving, creativity, or attention to detail. So your first step is to choose which one of these soft skills you want to argue needs to be taught specifically in our education system. And to find out more on the prompt, see pages 9 and 10 in the syllabus. So to help you choose which of these soft skills you want to write on, I would suggest going through these 3 questions with the different soft skills and see which of the soft skills strikes your interest after doing these questions. So the questions are, which of these soft skills is currently lacking at my workplace, or maybe at a prior place where I worked? If my boss or coworker had more of this skill, it would maybe increase morale at workplace, increase productivity, decrease personal tension, whatever that might be. You could also ask yourself, which of these skills do I wish I was stronger in? So pause the video and take a few minutes to work through these questions with the different soft skills until you find the soft skill that interests you the most. So now that you've chosen the soft skill you want to write on, you should create a plan of development. This sense will help guide you in your research and keep you on track, and it gives you a good place to start with your research and know, okay, I need to look for this in my paper. And it will also help you with the outline for the research essay that's due at the end of week 1. So to create a plan of development, you can use this template. Teaching children or young adults teamwork in high school will help them in their future jobs because they will, 1, learn how to work with others, 2, learn responsibility, and 3, learn how to follow and not always lead. So those might be the 3 things that I think would be important with teamwork as an example. So keep in mind, for Research Essay 1, you need to find 5 sources for this paper, and 3 of them must be from the library's academic databases. And I will go over how to